guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Smoothie & Go and I'm so excited for it. On top it says, thank you for giving Smoothie & Go a shot. These little packets will rock your world with their delicious natural taste and convenience. So how to use them: add liquid base in the water bottle to the red line, then the powder. Shake until smooth. Don't be afraid of the lumps. They're delicious. They're there because we don't use additives like anti-caking agents. Enjoy. So there's different flavors in here. And they also sent a water bottle. So they had that wrapped very well. Cute, has a little handle on it. It's a glass bottle, so there's where you add the water and then the powder, and yeah. So excited to try these. So how this works is you can just buy a box like this just to try them, or you can do it on like a subscription base. So if you want it sent every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, you can set that up if you want. So there are 12 single serve packets in here, 3 different flavors. I love that you can just literally grab it and go with it. And there's a nutrition fact, so very low calorie. Ingredients, just plain and simple. This one's just banana and strawberry. This one has mango, banana, pineapple, matcha, blueberry, cocoa, and spinach. And this one has banana, mango, and pineapple. Very cool. No sodium. Of course, there's carbs, but there's no added sugar. It's all natural sugar from the fruits and vegetables. And that is one thing I personally always pay attention to. I'm okay if it has sugar as long as it's not added sugar or a lot of added sugar. So here's the packets. Blender free, plant-based, non-GMO. I think this one's gonna be my favorite because I do like greens in my smoothie. Very cool. So we have 4 of those. Then there's 4 of the banana strawberry, which I think the kids are gonna like that one, especially Raylan. She loves banana strawberry stuff. And then this one, mango, banana, and pineapple. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert footage of me making them so you can see how easy it is, what it looks like, and then I will insert my thoughts and what I think of it, which one's my favorite. So the first one I decided to try was the Flow, and that's the one that has matcha and greens in it. So when you add that to your base and shake it, it is going to have that greenish brown color that maybe doesn't look that appetizing, but trust me, it was very good. I used water as my base, and you want to add that first, that way the powder doesn't stick to the bottom if you did it the other way. And you just shake it for a few seconds, and that is all that's needed. Now the card they sent talked about the bits in it, and I wasn't sure what they were talking about since it's a very fine powder, but it actually rehydrates it, and you can taste little bits of things in there. They're slightly, crunchy is not the right word, but if you've ever had dehydrated strawberries, it reminds me very much of that, where there's a little bit of a crunch to it, but it overall tastes sweet. So here's the banana strawberry one. That one was really good. And then the last one was the mango and pineapple. My daughter helped with this one. But yeah, they all had the bits in it and they tasted good. I actually really liked it, which typically when you talk about chunks or bits of something in a smoothie or a protein shake, that's normally not a good thing, but these did really taste good. You kind of see some of the bits in there. There wasn't too many, so if you have texture issues, I don't think it would be that big of a deal. But yeah, super good. I liked all 3 flavors. And if you guys are interested in ordering a box of these, I do have a promo code. It's MAMA25, and that will save you 25% off your first order. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.